Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Chris Van Jura. Catalyst Hot Dogs. Gonna make you a Taylor ham, egg and cheese hot dog today. Put it on a Martin's potato roll because there's nothing better. If you're from South Jersey, you call it pork roll. If you're from North Jersey, it's Taylor ham. That's what we're gonna put on the flat top here. I got 4 nice slices of the Taylor ham. Yes, I'll say it again. Taylor ham, not pork roll. Scrambled egg time. Take our eggs, take a little bit of milk, and the cheese right in there. I want this to be a softer egg, so we're not going to scramble this too hard, not going to scramble it too long. We just want to get that cheese a little melty. All right, taking our Rosetta all beef dry aged Frank. Gonna drop that in the fryer. That's a ripper. Rutt's Hut. We make rippers. The ripper's the way to go. That's the one for us. We use Martin's potato rolls out of Chambersburg, PA. It's the only one we use. It's the standard, what we use right here for every Catalyst hot dog we put out. Can't beat it. We have our bun. We're gonna take our Taylor ham. A little blanket. Beautiful. Take that ripper. I mean, can we talk about the perfection that is a ripper? Right on top. Beautiful. Now we got our scrambled egg. Cheesy scrambled eggs. Just like we should have them. Salt and pepper. And the ketchup. Say what you will, it works. That's it. Taylor ham, egg, and cheese dog. Hard to beat it.